Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Felzy. Guys, if you're seeing this face for the first time, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe. It is very important. Okay, I just came back from church. I'm already tired and hungry. It's almost 12. I decided to come on here and start this vlog. Guys, please watch till the end. Support this girl. Subscribe. Drop a comment. Okay, do all that good stuff for me. Alright? Enjoy. Hey guys, good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Meet my cousin Chamaka.
Yeah,
Why did I just
Tessie.
call you Chamaka?
You're calling me my Igbo name. That's not what people know me as. People know me as Tessie.
That's
Okay.
the problem. I have not really gotten the hang of calling you Tessie continuously. That's her channel name, by the way. She has a YouTube channel also. We're both small YouTubers trying to grow. Well, nevertheless, support her. She just visited me. She came yesterday. We're going out. She's going to fix her laptop while I'm going to GIG Logistics to meet up a friend. She sells thrift clothing, but she wants to do Weibo, so she said I should meet. She wants to send some clothes to other states, so she said I should meet her there. Then from there we'll proceed. I know I'm not going to stay long, so I'll just follow Amaka to where she will fix her laptop. Is very important. Without it, editing is difficult.
Exactly.
Okay guys,
So guys, I need to fix it. We'll catch you guys later.
she's beautiful, right?
Thank you, and she's pretty too. You see, look at her beautiful face.
Pretty waiting.
Look at her. Don't worry, you guys will check out as soon as we are done with the vlog.
Okay,
Yeah.
bye guys. So we are here at the like, let me show you guys. Oh, it's huge.
GIG,
Abba.
Abba. Yeah, my cousin knows better because I don't know who lives here in Abba.
Yeah. Hey, she don't tire. She was everything she do also. Jane, I'm sorry. So sorry.
The next day.
Hey guys, so we're here at Junior office to pick up a gift for my mom. Anyway, she knows we have already gotten it, so it's not going to be a surprise or anything. Let me just flip the camera and show you guys.
This is the end for me. Thank you, sir.
We'll be on our way to the village. That's from Aba to the village. It's not so far. It's going to be like an hour 30 minutes drive. Yeah, I'm having breakouts like mad. Yeah, also. Anyway, that's just it guys. So we don't have so much, but from the little we have, we just thought it wise to gift them something nice. Fine, brought me money.
Money better. How are you? How are
Maybe that time when you buy a machine, they cheaper now. If you go, no, you are you rich now? 9 kg now. This one is not up to 70 something. 9 kg now is over 100.
you dey go and be settled?
Yeah.
You dey come back?
Yes, so I know. Thank God, say you get somebody where they help you do small. Mommy, say hi.
Hi. Picture.
No, it's not picture, it's video for my YouTube channel.
Nno na asọ nkwụ ndị Mbaise. Alọla m ala Igbo. Alọla m ala Igbo.
Yes, so.
Ịhụ na the sign of ala Igbo.
Yes, so.
Mama ga-aghọla village woman.
Jesus. Ah, guys. Once is making red oil, palm oil. She gave me udara. Let me wash it. Woo. So we are at my village and hi baby. Momsy was quite pleased to see us. She's anyway, they're trying to set up the washing machine for her. Thank God she already has a big gen, so she can use it because there's no light here. And baby, we're just sitting outside. Hey guys, good morning. It's another beautiful day. So I'm going to the market. I just want to go and get something small, something. Good morning. It's not video call, I'm making video. Yes. Fine, thank you. I just want to get something small. I will not waste time. I won't waste time at all. Hopefully I will show you guys. So this is a very small market around my area. I'm even about leaving. I decided to make this video here. Yes, I decided to make this video before I leave because I said I was going to show you guys. I just bought meat, tomato, and okra. Yeah, little tomato, more peppers, and okra. She's cutting the okra for me right now, and everyone is staring at me. Welcome to Aba.